Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 7 by 9 and 5 by 4 and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. So it is given that zeros are minus 7 by 9 and 5 by 4. Therefore what we can say is x equal to minus 7 by 9 and x equal to 5 by 4 are zeros. So zeros. So we can say that 9x plus 7 and that is 9x plus 7 and 4x minus 5 are two factors of required polynomial. Required polynomial. This is by factor theorem. By factor theorem. So what we can say, if we multiply these two factors, we'll get required polynomial. So 9x plus 7 multiplied by 4x minus 5 is equal to, let's see, 9 fours are 36x square. Now coefficient of x will be 9 fives are minus 45, 7 fours are plus 28. Minus 45 plus 28 is minus 45 plus 28 is minus 17x. Then the constant term will be 7 multiplied by minus 5, which is minus 35. So this is the required polynomial. Required polynomial. Now we need to verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficients. So we can write an equation. Now the relationship between root zeros and coefficients is that if k into x square plus, sorry, not plus, minus sum of zeros times x and constant term will be product of zeros plus product of zeros. These are the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Then this will be your polynomial k multiplied by x square, where k is a constant. Now in this case we have the required polynomial as 36x square minus 17x minus 35. So to get this polynomial in this form, comparing obtained polynomial with this, we can write it as 36 multiplied by x square minus 17 by 36x plus not plus minus 35 by 36. Okay, so now let's verify if sum of the zeros is minus 17 by 36 and product of 0 is minus 35 by 36. So let's see, sum of given zeros equal to minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to, if we take LCM, we'll have to cross multiply, so that is minus 28 plus 45 divided by 36, and product of zeros is product of given zeros is minus 7 by 9 multiplied by 5 by 4, which is minus 35 by 36. This when simplified gives 17 by 36. If we compare it with given equation, we can see that it is verified that polynomial can be obtained by writing k into x square minus sum of the zeros, which is 17 by 36, x plus product of the zeros, which is minus 35 by 36, which is minus 35 by 36. So what we can say, hence verified. So this is verified. Comparing equation and above sum and product of zeros, the relation between zeros and coefficients is verified. This is the answer.